The Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya at a press conference held on the 8th of June 2022 had made certain clarifications on rumours about diluted fuel in pump stations across the state. Speaking to reporters, the president of the Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya, Kennedy Cream, informed that in February 2022, the central government had announced the presence of 10% ethanol in fuel. He further informed that ethanol is a substance that absorbs moisture and therefore its presence in the underground storage tanks of gas stations adds to the already existing percentage of water that may seep into the tank through crevices and manhole openings. This, he said, will further dilute the petroleum or diesel when poured into the oil tank in vehicles. He added that the rumors about water mixed in petroleum is therefore baseless.
Don ban penpa hagabade bat ke jinsha kno badon ki petrol pump ki bakhle ya ka petrol bat ya ka diesel kumba philai ki news item philai ki social media wala ki got khobor ki lami tingi na kalian ka association ki kwa ban pensyai khindya ka bidi bat kini how bnai February mentosnem ka Sarkar India lengba ka Ministry of Petroleum kala introduce ya ka ka substance ka bagi khot ka ethanol ka kini ka ethanol kani ka ethanol ka de ka balashna na ki jinthung kum na upai na riu hadam na ki jintang jo ki jinthung ki ba ferment kum ferment ni ka kya da ka ba ad ki yeast but ki ki ingredients but ki penmi ya kani ka ethanols ki kani ki ethanols kadika chemical compound ki khodika ka organic chemical compound ka bolong colorless ka bom donrong ka ba madding flammables but hakani ki ethanol yakani ki ethanol ki jukle ru ha ka ba ki penon kam bansna ya ka kya ti haubna ba a ndosnem ka Sarkar India kala introduce 4% ka ethanol ha ka petrol ti lada ka wei ka oil tanker ka kit khat 8,000 liter ka petrol kamut kumba khat 4 liter ka dei ka ethanol but kani ki ethanol 0.5% naka ka dei ka kani ki ethanol ka observe moisture temperature ki kamut ka tan ya ka naka haw naka air ti hakani ki ethanol ka don 5.5% ka ti lada ka kali ka ba ka petrol pump ka bakit Shipho kali haka shipnai kan long lak no ru pho liter ka kan don ha kata ka tanki jong ka petrol pump hapo ka underground tank ka bangi khot ka bangi store ka storage tank ka bangi khot untuk kan don ru pho liter ka manu banai kini ka kanang kiyo but kani ki ethanol haba ka absorb ya ka moisture ka mot ka tani ka makahi ka khle lang bat ka don ha kani ki ethanol